characteristics of a whale. Blue whales weigh about 300,000 pounds and their size is 75 to 85 feet. The color of these whales are usually a bluish gray. The skin covering is blubber. Blubber helps whales to stay warm. And all whales have blowholes. Blowholes help the whale breathe. And whales have something special called flukes. These flukes help get food in the mouth. And baleen whales have bristles. The bristles help whales eat krill. Behavior of whales. So parenting for the whales is the calf stays with their mom for around 1 year. When the baby stays with his mother, it protects from danger. Also, when the baby is born, the mother pushes it up to the surface to breathe. And defending itself or its family, you might ask how it does it, but they swim in pods so they can protect their young, so they don't get eaten by predators such as sharks. And some whales, called baleen whales, have bristles, so it helps them eat krill. Other whales, such as gray whales, are bottom feeders. They stir up mud and suck up food. Adjusting to changes. When it gets cold outside or like in the waters, they develop a layer called fat. Also, whales migrate for the winter to stay warm. Classification of whales. Whales are classified in a group called mammals. And you might ask, well, they're a fish. They're not a fish because whales breathe and it's warm-blooded. And it gives live births. That makes a whale a mammal. This is a diagram of the whale. Life cycle of a whale. Birth. Whales are born after 11 to 16 months. The whales stay with his mother until it's weaned, which takes place when they are 1 to 3 years old. Immature. Immature whales are weaned, but they're not fully mature yet. Whales begin to go out of their pod to explore. Adults. When whales reach adulthood, they are usually 6 to 13 years old. They migrate to warmer waters together. And the life cycle goes like this. Calf, 11 to 16 months. Adolescents after weaning. And then adults. Habitat of whales. So, there are many types of whales, but the habitats are different, such as humpback whales give birth near the Indian Ocean, gray whales are found near Mexico, humpback whales feed in the north, and narwhals live next, way up far north, and sperm whales mate near South America, and bowhead males just live under Africa and they don't migrate. Picture you see is the habitat of a whale. Whales can be found anywhere in the ocean, such as the Arctic Ocean. Beluga whales live near the Arctic, and gray whales live near the Pacific. Where it lives is really wet, and also can be cold or warm depending on type of whale. Location. Whales are only found in water, not particularly ocean. Whales can be found anywhere in oceans, either warm or cold. Food webs and what whales eat. When whales are immature, whales drink their mother's milk. And what eats it? For smaller whales, their main predator is sharks and other dangers. Some other dangers is whaling and getting stuck in fishing nets. When it's an adult, whales eat fish, shrimp, larvae, plankton, crab, and krill. And also, whales can eat sharks, and sharks can eat whales. Sharks and killer whales eat whales. Also, some humans eat whales, but they're not primary predators. These dangers are the same as immature whales. Endangered whales. What is happening? Environmental changes such as climate change are bad for whales because glaciers can melt and krill can die due to temperature. So whales basically have nothing to eat. We can stop by polluting so the krill can survive and the whales can eat it. Human stuff. What is happening? People hunt whales. Also, pollution can kill whales. Some whales get stuck in fishing nets. Also, oil spills can kill whales. We can stop this by voting to end whaling. Also, we can be more careful with fishing nets. Animals. There are really no animal threats to whales because they're at the top of the food chain. So there's nothing really we can do about it because, there's no animal threats. So yeah, basic. Bye, and thanks for watching, and please comment on your favorite RQ.